Good morning. We're just going to Accra today. We're going to spend the rest of the day in Accra because it's a bank holiday in Ghana. So we're just going to a hotel called Moving Peak. They have a massive swimming pool there. So we're going with a friend. So we just thought, spend the bank holiday at the swimming pool. So guys, stay tuned. Let's enjoy Accra today. I hope you guys are having an amazing 2023. Please like the video, comment, and let me know what you think so far. Alright, so guys, we're going to Accra right now. My friend Prince here just fetched us, so we want to take you guys along. Please stay tuned, like the video, let's enjoy, let's have fun today. So as we got there, unfortunately, they couldn't allow us to swim. They said the hotel is closed for the guests. So because it was a holiday, we couldn't swim because of how busy it is. So we decided to go to Aburi. Aburi is located in the eastern part of the country. They have a lot of hotels there. They have a lot of restaurants where you can go for a weekend. So we decided to go to Peduase Valley Resort. This place is like a hotel resort where there's a swimming pool. They do a lot of local food. So on our way, we stopped to eat some amazing local food. So I hope you guys stay and enjoy this video. While you're watching the video, please consider liking and sharing this video with your friends and family on Facebook and WhatsApp. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the content. Thank you. With your manpower, with your own now, to be funded. What's it? Bro, you do, you are Sunday, also, mommy trick, bro. And kick it. And then, much, just meet the same thing.
Okay, man, back from my
man, the film. The film.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we brief food. we just had the best fufu, like Akrantie, bushmeat, fish, tilapia, all in one plate. You can't start the 2023 like this. It's just the best feeling ever. Now we're going to Peduase Resort to enjoy, you know. 2023, here we are from Aburi. What? Eat pizza. Eat pizza. One fish going to eat pizza. Guys, thank you so much. Make sure you like the video and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you at the Peduase Resort. No, don't worry about that. So guys, this is the reception of Peduase Resort. The pool is costing us 90 Ghana cedis only, and they also accept American Express. So guys, if you're American Express holder, you are good to go. Oh, there's the pool. Wow. Guys, it's so loud, but guess where we are? Peduase Resort. Look. And there's a room down there. And the restaurant is just behind me there. I can't wait to get my first drink and dive in here. Ghana is a whole vibe, man. I can't wait to dive into this country. From Peduase Resort, Aburi, Ghana is happening 2023. Alright guys, we are currently in Peduase Beach Resort. No, it's not Beach Resort, is it? What is it? Peduase Resort on the Aburi Mountains. Look at that. So beautiful, right? Guys, you need to come here. You are Bontin live from Peduase. I like the red gold green one. I'm trying to see if that will look good on me. I bought thousands of them, so I don't buy anymore. So we just finished having a nice time in the Peduase Valley Resort in Aburi. This place is one of a kind, guys. I wish I could spend the whole weekend or the whole night here. This place is beautiful, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please like the video and comment and let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Thank you so much. Live from we are climbing.
I'm tired.
Why is this?
I'm tired.
Nice one.
Good video. Man, you buy me one, make I go put for my fridge. We want this one. We want the one here. Yeah.
Which one do you want?